Hello everyone, how are you? Once again, welcome back. संजीव बंसल Surgitop Mediquip friends. Stay happy and healthy always. आज मैं आपको अपने वेयर हाउस में दिखाता हूँ। एक बहुत बढ़िया ब्रांडेड व्हील चेयर आई है, कर्मा कंपनी की है, क्रोम प्लेटेड है। जस्ट सी द क्वालिटी ऑफ द पॉलिश, और जो फुटरेस्ट हैं वो भी क्रोम प्लेटेड हैं। जस्ट सी द क्वालिटी ऑफ द व्हील्स, just see the movement of the wheels, and the brakes are here, the brake can be applied, and just see all the quality of the wheelchair. It is in folding position. Now I'll unfold this wheelchair, खोल के दिखाता हूँ आपको. This is the way it opens up. Just see the quality of the armrest and just see the quality of the seat. This is in leather material. It is very comfortable for the patient to sit. It can take the patient weight up to 90-95 kgs. And just see the movement of the wheelchair along the axis. It is the movement is very good along the axis. Sideways आप देखिए. Just see footrest. If you want, you can make it this way. Otherwise you can again take up the footrest also, and just see sideways. Just see the quality of the wheelchair here. Just see the quality of the wheels, the quality of the brakes, and overall the look of the wheelchair is, friends, really very good. Not only it is good for the patient, it is giving a good feel also for the patient. And now we are going to unfold this wheelchair. अगर आपको wheelchair fold करनी है, ऐसे simple है, ऐसे करके कर दीजिए. और कभी भी wheelchair को if you want to hold it from here, and if you want to take it on the road, like इसके ऊपर से you can take it this way. This is the way you can take the wheelchair. So this is the product today I want to tell you about in this video. It's a fantastic wheelchair of Karma company. Thank you very much, friends. Please like, subscribe and share to this video to my channel as much as possible to give benefit to whosoever requires it. Thank you very much. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.